Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a remarkable flagship device that exemplifies cutting-edge technology and exceptional design. From the moment you hold the phone, its sleek and polished build feels premium, enhanced by the glass and metal construction. The 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display is nothing short of breathtaking, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and stunning clarity. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the visuals are incredibly immersive, making every interaction a joy. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S10 Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor, coupled with 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and an efficient user experience. Apps launch quickly, and the phone handles gaming with ease, providing stellar graphics without any lag. The 128GB or 512GB of internal storage options, expandable via microSD, offer ample space for your apps, photos, and videos, catering to both casual users and power users alike. One of the standout features of the S10 Plus is its camera system. The triple lens setup, which includes a 12MP wide lens, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a 16MP ultra-wide lens, allows for incredible versatility in photography. The low-light capabilities are impressive, resulting in sharp and detailed images even in dim conditions. The addition of a dual front camera enhances selfies, providing depth effects and clarity that make your photos pop. Battery life is commendable, with a 4,100 mAh capacity that easily lasts a full day of usage, even with heavy consumption. The phone supports both fast wired and wireless charging, along with reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up other devices conveniently. With its factory unlocked status, the Galaxy S10 Plus offers the freedom to choose your carrier, enhancing its appeal. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a powerhouse smartphone that combines style, performance, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a high-end device.